Welcome to Lily Artist English. This video is on a requested topic that how we can transfer design on cloth. I got this comment few days back, so we will cover this topic in this video. And in today's video I will show you how you can paint this design very beautifully on the fabric. So first I am transferring this design onto tracing paper. See, I have placed a tracing paper over the copy of the drawing book where I showed you the design. One by one, we will carefully trace our design onto the tracing paper. Now that our design is traced, I am going to transfer it onto black fabric using white carbon paper. Using white carbon paper here because if you use any other color, it will not very visible on the black fabric. I'm doing it this way so we can set it up properly first, making sure it doesn't move. Once we start, it should stay completely still. If you think it might move, you can secure it with a pin. I explain how to do that in a video which is just 2 minute long video, so you can check it out. Now I am transferring this onto the fabric. After putting down the tracing paper, white carbon paper, I am repeating the outline like this, applying a little pressure with a pencil as I draw. Since this was a black fabric, so I use white carbon paper because it shows up better, okay? Now our fabric is black, so first we will apply a white base. Let me explain what we need to mix into the white base, but first check out the brush I am using. It's size 6, a round brush. Now moving toward white base, so you have to use any white paint and medium one. Mix it well and apply on the fabric like that. I have already mixed it and put it in a bottle so that I can use whenever I want. So in this video I showed you how I mix everything beforehand because good prep led to a better results. So I get everything ready to avoid a messy process. Now I am starting to fill in the design one by one. You can see how I am painting it. I am filling it evenly, staying it right within the outline. It's all going really smoothly and we will fill it in one by one. So this part is filled in a bit now. Now after applying white base, let it dry, and when it dries out you can start painting it. Okay, and the color I'm going to use for painting these leaves I've already showed you. I am using olive green and white. So I didn't let it dry too much because I wanted the white blending in it. So it depends on you. You can let it dry a 50% or 70% or complete drying. Okay, it depends on the shade you want. If you want white blending, you can use on 50% dry, and if you don't want any white shading in your leaf, you can let it dry completely and then start painting. Okay, it's important to apply a white base on dark fabric because if you skip that, the dark fabric will absorb the color and your painting can end up looking dull. In some videos you might see me painting on a dark fabric without white base, and if you watch those videos closely you will notice there's another trick I use to keep the color vibrant. Okay, so if you are painting a dark fabric, just go straight forward for a white base, and if you don't, it will get blurry or dull. And if you want to check this process that it will get blurry or dull or not, you can just try it out by yourself. Just take any black or dark fabric and paint one small flower with white base and another without white base, and then compare it both. Okay, and if you are enjoy watching these type of videos, make sure to like. If you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe because on this channel you will get all about the fabric painting in English. My main channel Lily Artist Fabric Works is in Hindi language, and this is my second channel. So if you want more videos about fabric painting and you know Hindi, make sure to visit Meterial Artist Fabric Works because there you can get more than 600 tutorial videos with different design, different color combination, and beautiful painting process, so you can learn a lot from there. And you can join my online classes. It will be held in April, and pre-recorded classes is also available. If you are working and you can't attend the class on the certain time, you can take the recorded batches, and it will cover all the topic from basic to advanced fabric painting. Now if you watch video carefully, you will get to notice that I am painting this beautiful leaf by only two color combination. One is white, applying white on the upper portion of the leaf, and then blending it and shading it with olive green. So I am using the olive green. The main part of the green here is the stroke, the movement of the brush, how I am applying the green. Okay, so you have to apply green in a little bit of curve strokes like this, not a straight. So you can paint a very beautiful leaf by this process, and only two color combination. Now for painting flower, I am going to use three color combination: pink, dark pink, and white. So for the light pink, you have to mix the dark pink with white. Okay, and the dark pink, if you are wondering about the color codes, it's pink 14. So you can mix white and pink 14 together to mix and make a light pink color. I'm going to paint it this way, starting with a round brush, which is the same one I use for the leaves. I will show you how to do it with that brush first, then I will also demonstrate with a flat brush. You can use either, whichever you are more comfortable with, you can use that one. After painting first flower with the round brush, I will show you how you can use both flat and round brush together to paint a flower quickly. So I'm filling the inner part of the flower with flat brush. Okay, so we will fill it up quickly, and then for the outer part I am applying the light pink shade and outlining the petal with round brush. Okay, because round brush give you more comfort with the outlining, and it will give you a clear and clean strokes. Okay, so I'm using this for outlining and shading it inward with a light pink. So you can use both brush together, only one brush, or whichever you are more comfortable with. After painting step by step, we will outline our flower and add a little bit of shading. For the first flower, I am outlining it with white like this, and we'll add some shade also. So you have to watch complete video and trust the process for beautiful looks. For the next flower, I am outlining it with light pink. Then we will fill in pollen with white first, and then after that we will add a little bit of dark pink on the top. I'm shading it from the top with white, and the remaining flower I am outlining it with a dark pink. You can use size 0 brush for outlining. And this is the final look of our design. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you are genuinely interested in learning fabric painting. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care, keep practicing. Bye bye.